Hey guys, here's the skit for today, just one for today. It's called How to Solve a Rubik's Cube. Let's find out. Hello! You see this little thingy right here? It's called a puzzle. And I just love a good chuckle. I am an ultimate mastermind at puzzles. Could I solve it?
You be the judge.
Dang it! This causes for slightly desperate measures. Okay, now that we got all the pieces, gonna need some tape. Let's go to our time-lapse video. You ready? Yeah, let's go. I'm a genius! Okay, that's all for this video. I will see you next time. Please subscribe to the B13 TV and the TAYLW1. And I'll see you next time.